Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday we had discussed if Bank Nifty goes above 33,000, then we may see Bank Nifty going till 33, 200, 300, 500. And today after opening around 33,000 we saw a profit booking first, and from there after breaking 33,000 we saw a good move in Bank Nifty and it went till 33,600 something. But from 33,600 we saw a sharp sell off. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens flat, then after breaking 33,100 we can see a sell off in Bank Nifty, and in that case Bank Nifty can fall till 32,800. And since this support is being tested once on 15 minutes chart, after spending time, if it breaks, then it will be more effective. If we see a opening above 33,400, 33,450, then Bank Nifty can remain in this range, that is 33,100 to 33,500, 600. And after breaking today's day high, that is 33,593, we may see a good move in Bank Nifty, and on the higher side Bank Nifty can go till 33,750, and above 33,750 only we will see fresh buying momentum. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty yesterday we had discussed if it goes above 15,400, then it can go till 15,475, 550, 600. Today we saw a opening around 15,450, and from there we saw a profit booking, and after breaking the day high we saw a sharp buying momentum in Bank Nifty, and after consolidating here again we saw a breakout, but by the closing time we saw a little bit of sell off in Nifty too. So tomorrow if Nifty breaks 15,560, then Nifty can fall till 15,500 to 15,450. And if Nifty opens above 16,650, then after breaking 15,700 Nifty can go till 15,800 to 830. So now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is Infosys, and if you see there was a resistance here and we saw a sell off, and it is the first time the resistance is being tested. So normally stocks don't clear after testing the resistance. So tomorrow what you can do is you can buy Infosys. If it goes above 1456, you will have to maintain a stop loss at 1440, and the target will be around 1470. But as we discussed, stocks won't clear until the resistance is tested once. So this is the first time. So either Infosys may go sideways or we may see a little bit of correction. So what you can do is if it goes below 1440, you can sell Infosys with a stop loss at 1450 or 55, and the target on the downside will be around 1410. So the next support is around 1410, so you can book profit accordingly. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.